For the strawberry jam, you need 500 grams of strawberry fruits and 500 grams of sugar. Always remember, whenever you want to make jam, as much as the weight of your fruit is, you need to have that much sugar. After washing and cleaning the strawberries, place the strawberries in a pot and also pour the sugar over the strawberries. Cover the pot and leave it in a room temperature for about 3 to 4 hours in order to let the sugar completely dissolve and the strawberry to give out all the juice. After about 4 hours, as you see, all the sugar is dissolved and all the juice of the strawberries come out. Place the pot over the medium to high flame and let it come to boil. Once it starts boiling, lower the flame and let it simmer until it starts thickening. If you are going to cover the pot, be careful the jam not to boil over. Also, you can just leave it uncovered to simmer. Once you have reached to your desired thickness, you can remove it from the heat. But always remember, when the jam gets cooled, it increases in thickness. So don't let it too thick while on the flame. After removing it from the flames, let it completely cool down. Transfer it in a jar and keep it in the fridge.